Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Theia IDE on this Windows machine. So first here, in Google search box, write there Theia IDE, then go on this Theia IDE org site, and there you can use online or desktop. Let's use their desktop. Then click on this download. This is for Windows, Mac, Linux. So going to use their Windows. So you need to click on this Windows, and here the file is now downloading. The size is 318 MB. And if I go on this command prompt, and here, if I write Java minus minus version, then you can see this is the version of the Java that installed. And if I write there Java, this working, Java C also working. Okay, so first you need to download and install the Java, then you can run Java program inside the Theia IDE. So this is the progress you can see. Theia IDE setup exe file that's download completed. Let's click on this exe file. Now click on I agree. Only for me, you can select this option also. Click on next. This is the location where Theia IDE is going to install. Click on install button. So please wait while Theia IDE is being installed. Now you can see completing Theia IDE. This installed successfully. Click on finish. Then the icon that's created, let's double click on this icon. And on the desktop, so on this desktop, they're going to create one new directory. So let's right click, then new, then selecting folder, then writing their Java codes. So this, after that, here, this is the Theia IDE. So let's close this here, file. You can use their open folder, open file, new file. So let's click on this open folder. I just created one folder, Java codes. Select this. And the next is after giving, let's go on this file here, or new file. You can use their file, new text file also. Let's click on new file. And the next is let's run the Java codes. So here let's give printing the hello world of the Java. Paste this, Control S to save. This is asking about to give here. Let's give test.java. So since given that the class name test, so that here also going to change this test. Now here you need to click on this accept, and this here activating test runner for Java and activating Java. So opening Java project, check for details. So this here percentage you can see there. Now this is ready. After that, simply you need to click on this run or debug. So let's click on this run here. Click on this allow. Thereafter you can see hello world that's displaying. Now let's do some changes. So here going to add two number. Add two number. So selecting Control V. So here see our class name different. So this let's change there, giving the class name test. After that save that, Control S, and now click on this run Java. So this asking about to enter first number. Let's give 7, second number 4. 7 plus 4, 11, that's display. So this is how we can install Java and run, this is how we can install Theia IDE and run Java codes. So this is how we can install Theia IDE on this Windows machine and run the Java codes. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.